Today I'm going to be using the Luxe Beauty Makeup Brush Cleaner. Let's open it up and see what we can do. The manual right there. So you have the makeup brush cleaning solution. You also have the holders with your charger, and of course this is the base. Okay, so next it's time to install our brush. So you just want to look at what is the size of your brush, and this is the size of my brush. So this comes with different sizes for the brush, so I'm just going to pop this off like this, grab my brush cleaner, stick it in there, and it fits well. It also has the sizing in there. So this is a 15mm brush holder. Once you've plugged it in there, take this and plug it into your charging port area. So before you start using this, make sure you charge it. This is charging right now. When it's fully solid light, it will show that it has been charged and you're ready to use it. So I got some water in my bowl right there. And after that, you want to squeeze a small amount of the soap. All you just do is take the brush. Once you press it down, you see how it spins. Okay? And it has 3 levels: low, medium, and high. So we're just going to put the brush in there. Make sure you don't get the metal section so that it doesn't spoil the brush. So we're going to push this in and we're going to spin it. This is on the low. Okay. Okay, you can go up and down just to clean it. And you see how it really cleans it. You can increase the speed again by tapping it one time, just to ring it for 5 seconds. Okay, and we're done. So it's nice and fluffy and our brush is clean. You can see the brush is clean, everything looks well, and it's really nice.